Hello, my friends. Please listen calmly. Today, I'm speaking to you not just as a teacher, but as someone who has spent a lifetime in classrooms. I've watched learners struggle. I've watched them lose confidence, and I've also watched them slowly succeed. English often feels heavy, but it does not need to feel that way. I want to guide you with patience, with clarity, and with honesty. English contains more than 170,000 words. That number sounds frightening at first, but it should actually relax you, because no one uses all of them. Not native speakers, not teachers, not writers. Daily life uses a small, simple core of words, and that truth changes everything. Many learners believe they fail because they lack vocabulary. This belief is understandable, but it is not true. The real difficulty comes from learning methods that overload the mind. Too many rules, too many lists, too much pressure. Language does not grow under pressure. When people speak in daily life, they repeat common words again and again. Words like I, you, we, they, go, come, do, make, work, feel, good, bad, tired, happy. These words appear in conversations every single day, across countries, across cultures, across situations. Speaking is repetition, not collection. Think about how a child learns a language. A child does not memorize a dictionary. A child listens. A child imitates. A child repeats. A child experiments. Mistakes are normal. Confidence comes before correctness. This natural process is the key that many adults forget. The idea behind this lesson is simple. Focus on a limited set of everyday words and learn how to move them freely. English works through patterns, and when patterns become familiar, speaking becomes automatic. That is how fluency is born. Fluency is not fast talking. Fluency is comfortable talking. When your mind feels safe, your mouth opens easily. Now let us talk about sentence patterns. Patterns are the roads that words travel on. Without roads, cars cannot move. Without patterns, words cannot flow. Many learners know words, but they freeze. Not because they are stupid, but because they lack patterns. Some patterns appear constantly in daily English. I want to. I need to. I am going to. I like to. I have to. These simple frames allow endless expression with very little effort. I want to eat. I want to rest. I want to learn. I need to work. I need help. I am going to leave. I am going to study. I like to read. I like to talk. I have to finish. I have to wake early. Same structure, different meaning. When you practice patterns, your brain stops translating. You begin to think directly in English. This is the turning point. This is where speaking becomes natural. Grammar rules are useful, but they should come later. Speaking first builds confidence. Confidence creates motivation. Now bring English into daily life. Because language exists to serve life, not books. In the morning, you can say, I wake up. I feel sleepy. I drink water. I get ready. I go out. At work or study, you can say, I feel busy. I do my work. I need a break. I talk to people. These sentences are simple, but they communicate real meaning. When you need help, you can say, I need help. Can you help me? I do not understand. Communication succeeds when meaning is clear. Perfection is not required. Feelings matter. Language allows you to express them. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel tired. I feel nervous. These sentences build connection. They build understanding. Many learners fear the past tense, but simple expressions still work. Yesterday, I go to work. Yesterday, I feel tired. The grammar is not perfect, but the message is clear. Communication comes first. People respond more to confidence than correctness. When you speak calmly, others listen. Silence never helps. Practice is the heart of improvement. Watching lessons feels productive, but speaking creates change. Your mouth must be trained like a muscle. You do not need long hours. 10 focused minutes every day is enough. Consistency beats intensity. Choose a few words, create sentences, speak them out loud, repeat for several days. Repetition builds memory. Slow practice builds accuracy. Pressure destroys progress. Be patient with yourself. Growth happens quietly. Mistakes are signs of courage. Every mistake means you tried. Language rewards effort. Do not wait to feel ready. Readiness follows action. Fear stops many learners. Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of sounding wrong. These fears are human, but they shrink when language becomes familiar. Simple language creates safety. Safety creates confidence. Confidence creates fluency. This is the cycle you want to build. Speak alone if needed. Describe your day. Speak to yourself without judgment. Your voice must become comfortable in English. Now create a simple daily routine. In the morning, speak for a few minutes. During the day, listen to slow, clear English. At night, speak again about your day. Repetition across days creates stability. Use the same words repeatedly. Do not change methods every week. Progress comes from staying with one simple system. Record your voice sometimes. Listen kindly. Notice improvement. This builds belief. Belief fuels consistency. English is not talent. English is not luck. English is a skill, and skills grow through small daily actions over time. You do not need all the words in the language. You need the right words used well. Start simply. Speak daily. Express yourself clearly. Do not try to impress. Your journey begins with calm practice, patience, and trust in the process.